trends these days. That's one of the in things now. Could you tell me about microgreens?
Microgreens are usually a small plant, and these are grown for about 20 days,
Okay.
and this can be grown in a little place also. It's very convenient to grow them
Okay.
in small pots.
Okay.
So they are very rich in nutrition, and still researches are going on
Okay.
about what nutrition contents they do contain.
Okay.
But still they are very rich in proteins like that, and these are not like sprouts, not sprouts, ma'am.
Okay.
These are plants actually. The seeds are grown for 20 days,
Okay.
15 to 20 days, and the small plants which we will get from after the 20 days is usually used with other food also.
So what are the microgreens that you are growing here? What are the things you have grown plants?
We can grow like and whatever plants we want we can grow.
Okay.
So here we have turnip, coriander, palak, and fenugreek, and amaranthus, and also radish, ma'am. We can also grow this beetroot,
Okay.
and many other, ma'am.
So you directly you cut it, and can you eat it just like that, like salad, or
Yes,
do you have to cook it?
No need to cook.
No need to cook at all.
Yeah,
We can use it directly.
directly. It's better to use directly, ma'am,
Okay.
rather than cooking.
Oh, really? Very interesting. Would I know your name?
Myself, Mamata.
Mamata. Thank you very much, Mamata,
Right.
for telling me about microgreens.
You're welcome.